Lego set!
Indeed, guys, this is the Lego City 60388 if you're interested in things like that.
Guys, they're playing League.
I don't know what they're doing, but it's the gaming tournament truck. The tourney truck, the gaming tournament truck. You can see there is a whole, let me just, let me see the box. Let's take a look at the box. Box.
Those are gonna be. It's been a solid 4 years since we've done a last Lego video, and that was Unikitty.
That is true. Unikitty was the last one, 2019.
Which is all the way down in Big Daddy D-Struck's office.
She is, yep, she's still in my office. I think I did an office display video for 2022, I believe is the last one. The most recent one, if you guys want to check that out. There's a whole playlist dedicated to my office and all the junk that's floating around in there. So, guys, check it out.
You had a Generation Silver streak down there at one point.
Yeah, I did. And then...
you still have Prime Megatron, Megachuchi.
I do, yep. Yeah, the Silver Streak one was one that you had your eye on. All right, let's see. So you can see there's... I'm trying to show you guys here. We have a sort of a controller here, a D-pad, and some buttons.
There's a bunch of stuff that this trailer can do if you turn it around.
This is almost like a... This looks more like the Nintendo
Why am I thinking
N64 GameCube
some
controller.
Sort of Optimus Prime toy.
Well, there's a semi there. I guess if he decided to go with garbage colors instead of red and blue, then I guess you could do that. These are...
It's more self-mode bumpy.
This is like lime green and black. I don't love this color scheme. So yeah, leave us a comment, guys, if comments are available. Let us know.
Let's take a look at the back of the packaging.
What type of game you think they're playing here.
I'm gonna say League.
Because it doesn't look like they're actually doing anything. It almost looks like a fighting game. So like if you had a really crazy game with like Street Fighter or Tekken or Mortal Kombat, something like that. Okay, whoa, here we go to the back. Yeah, so you can see there's the... This is interesting. I'm not quite sure what to make of these arrows. On this graphic, that's curious. Okay.
This is quite interesting.
Yeah, so we...
And 4 minifigures, that is a...
Oh, this is where you can walk into the back of the truck, I think. Yeah, is there 4 minifigures? Yeah, I guess so. Oh, look at this. This is going to get ripped off if the truck goes too fast, though. This sort of... This gamepad thing, I think. And she's trying to catch the semi, and this guy is... This definitely reminds me, though, of like the movies and, what was it, the Clutch Power show?
Oh my god, I remember that.
Yeah, we haven't been able... I haven't seen any Clutch Power sets, although I think I would be strongly tempted to get one if we ever saw one. But
Clutch Powers was cool.
Clutch Powers is one of the better little Lego movies for sure. Alright, should we unbox this thing? Unbox this candle. Alright. Okay, so what do you got floating around over there? Okay, here's the instructions. Wow, this is a hefty book. We've got... Okay, so there are 114 pages. Oh, there's now... Whoa. Oh, wow, what is... What? Man, I hope you can figure this out. This is wild. These are, yeah.
Let me take a look at that.
We've got bags. 3, 4, 2, 1. Is there a 5 here somewhere? No?
This looks like a normal Lego build.
Does it?
Too hard.
We got the stickers for the semi. I guess we could do that at the end. Oh, and then we got these graphics.
Sure. These are already pre-assembled.
I think they're just kind of molded that way, yeah. All right, so I guess
Bags.
I guess
Wasn't there a bag order that you were supposed to go from?
almost always, yeah. Let's
take a look.
should get a scissors here, I think.
The official OKG scissors.
Oh yeah, I'll get those.
I guess we're starting off with bag 1. The trophy and the minifigs. Alright, we're starting off with bag 1. Alright, my peoples, we are starting off with bag 1. Wait, this is not an MGO video, never mind.
Hey, does he do Lego builds? I don't even know. I never seen him. Okay, let's
It says we're supposed to assemble the minifigures, so...
I feel like we should organize this a little bit though. So let's put 1, 2, and 3 off screen.
So we have our first minifigure. A little girl.
Oh, is that the gamer girl? Gamer girl!
That's not the gamer girl.
Oh, this is the one that's trying to catch the bus. She's like a scorekeeper or something. Cool.
We have the game show host. Putting this on correctly?
Yeah, we'll be getting into the speed build of this a little bit later once we kind of get past this preliminary stuff. Who's this one? Oh, this is the driver.
Driver, yeah. He has a microphone.
Nice. Let's
Where's his legs?
I sold them.
Oh, no, found him. Alright.
Hand me that other little piece of plastic right there.
This?
Yep.
Here. Alright, so...
I guess there's a lot of pieces of plastic. The whole thing is pieces of plastic.
Alright, so now we have our first 2 minifigs.
Oh, look at him. He is so excited. And he just can't
Might be
hide
a
it.
bit too excited.
Cool. Alright.
Let's see
guess we can-
here.
So we don't have the gamers yet. We just have these figures. So let's...
The gamers come later.
Yeah. Can't have a gaming tournament without gamers. Alright. Is that like an Xbox controller?
Yes.
Are you guys picking sides? Man, Lego, come on.
Alright, here is the Lego trophy.
Alright, let's see here. I guess this is too nondescript. This could be... To me, this looks more like an Xbox controller than a PlayStation controller. But there's no insignia here or anything, so... Alright, what do you... Oh no, you guys aren't going to win. We're just going to put it there with the hosts.
And there we go. It's already starting to build up. I think. Hey, look. It's already building up, but it looks like a boat. Alright, guys.
Guys, oh, what's that? What are those two pieces for?
I don't know, it doesn't say. I assume they're just
Okay,
spares.
set those off to the side. Okay, guys, so here it is. This is what bag one is like with the other figures that we showed you. And you can see he's very happy to be driving this truck with his steering wheel in the center. Usually it's on the left or right, right? But this one's in the center. It's like a concrete truck, right? The concrete mixers have their steering wheels in the center.
I do always... when I first looked at this, I thought that the grill was kind of weird.
Oh, those are just extras. Okay, that's what those are.
And also, we finally found her phone, by the way, guys. She has her phone.
Yay! All right, so there's bag one. So put that over there, and let's get.
So for bag one, I'm also going to just place this right here.
Okay, here's bag two. All right. Yeah, let's. Yeah, that's fine. Put her there. That's good. All right, you got the skizzers. You ready to go?
Okay, good. OKG skizzers, guys. Those have to have these on hand. Oh, and we're building the gamers. We're building Ninja and someone else.
Ninja. Which was Ninja?
The guy with the blue hair.
The guy with the cowl and the flaming sword? Ninja. Woo! That's funny. Alright.
Alright, so first we're gonna start building the minifigures. First, but I must change page. Guys, I must do change page. Gamers come out to play, I guess, maybe. It's okay if you don't want to, I'm just asking. Gamer 1. Stand. So Gamer 1, guys. Wow, this guy's hair just... He wants to be bald. Wait, no, I was putting it on.
Okay, is this Ninja? I don't know. I don't think so. Let's see, we've got, yeah. Oh, I'm just like totally wrecking her hair. Okay.
I believe these need to be in for the build.
These are wild. Okay. These are wild, guys. There's our two gamers. We'll put them over with the truck. And the other, you know, who gets... Let's give her... Let's give her a microphone so she can hold it. Oh, I lost your hair. You don't get to have hair, girl, but you get to have a microphone. Fair trade, right? There we go. Okay, cool. All right.
We're also putting...
Are you going to give him the trophy? Okay, so there they are hanging out on the truck. Okay, very cool. All right, bag number 2.
Time for the actual build.
Ready to kick it off?
Kick it off. that should be it.
Okay, guys, so we are at the end of bag 2. We've been filming for about 50 minutes at this point. We're on page 50 of the book, and it goes to 113. So we are basically at the halfway point. You can see we have the truck is done, I think, for the most part. And the trailer is half built at this point. So
I can already see where the trophy goes.
yeah. So we'll be kicking off part 3 for the very next bag. And here we go. Okay guys, so here it is at the end of bag 3, and you can see it's come together very nicely. There's some features there that Leo is showing you. We'll go through that more at the very, very end of this.
It's coming together, guys.
Will both swords fit in the back compartment? There's storage in the back.
No, it's only one. It's meant for one.
So you're supposed to hold the other one while he's gaming? Really?
Well, I already have Ninja.
He's gonna have a very hard time gaming with the sword in his hand the whole time.
Hey, check it out.
I wonder if the sword is just extra or something. Or maybe it goes on there, you know, I don't know.
Hey, look at this.
Kooky. Yeah, very nice.
And you can also see, we put some of the stickers on.
Yeah. So guys, we have been at this for right around an hour and 40 minutes
Oh my
left.
god, this hurts.
And we have one bag left to go. We have about, let's see, how many steps? Let's see. So we have about 25 steps left, give or take. And you ready for bag 4? Yes?
Yes.
Let's get it.
Get it, guys. Can you connect this first? Did I connect this wrong? There's a little gap.
Let's see.
I think I did. Hold on. Yeah, I did.
I just gotta go one over.
But then there's this gap.
You gotta. Okay, you gotta center it. Okay. Should be 2 open on each end. Okay? Yeah.
Hey!
Yes. Hey! Symmetry. Awesome.
That,
Okay.
This legit is so cool. And it's so out there too.
It is pretty out there. Okay, so is that everything?
Oh, hi. It's a bit, and we finished it.
So guys, as of this moment, we've been recording for 2 hours and 15 minutes. The build is, however, complete. Obviously, the video will not be this long. And so, momentarily, Leo is going to take you through some of the features here of this vehicle, which has a lot of moving parts in it.
I honestly like it a bit. Quite a bit. I'm just putting the gamers in their gamer seats right now.
Alright.
I'm doing final adjustments up, everyone. Final adjustments. You're gonna be our driver. Get in there. Sit down. As you can also see, we applied every sticker.
Yes. All the stickers are on this thing. Most of them are in reasonable application shape. Not all of them, most of them. Alright, yeah, let's get a good look at the front of them. Okay, let's get a good look at the side of them.
Alrighty.
Okay, guys, so there you can see we've got the two behind the computer screen there. And they got the sliders there. You can see the sliders.
Now, here's something cool.
You can hit them in the head with the panels.
Who did I knock down?
Okay.
My boy.
And you can trap them inside the trailer here. There's one. Oh, will it not do it when they're sitting in the seat?
Okay.
It should. No? Oh, probably not enough space, huh?
Yeah.
You gotta take them out, so you can't actually trap them inside, which is kind of shit.
Here's the fun thing.
Oh, and the back opens too. Yeah, check this out.
I accidentally misplaced the monitor screen with...
That's fine. There's storage here. There's an extra sword that came with this kit for some reason.
With Ninja. Or sorry, the guy I'm calling Ninja.
If he's, yeah, sure, whatever. It doesn't matter. Call him whatever you want. Got huge wheels on the truck and the cab. Got really tiny wheels on the trailer, which I find kind of hilarious. But we do have taillights. Really good looking taillights. This is, yeah, it's a very, very cool vehicle. Can you fold down the controller pad on the roof thing? Kind of? Not really? Okay. I wonder where that's supposed to go. I guess you could just throw it in. There's probably not enough room on the side that you're on, right? I wonder if there's enough room to throw it in with the gamer desks.
But you can also...
Definitely won't
pretty
fit in
sure...
there. Can you fit the driver in the back? This is where we keep our relief driver. We just put him in the trailer. Oh my god, you can! Nice. So where can the sign go? Oh, you could put it actually on the truck. Yes. Perfect.
Where do we store...
Let's see it. Turn around so you can see it.
Where do we store our gamers then?
They get to just ride on the roof, I guess.
Or...
Well, you would have new gamers at every place you went to, I think, really, though. That's not... Yeah, no. That's not gonna...
The monitor just fell out.
Yeah, the truck looks really dumb with that thing on it.
I need to make a last minute fix. Hold on, guys.
I don't think there's... Yeah, you can't... There's no way that thing is going to fit in there, though. There's not enough space for that, I don't think. But is there enough space on the other side, the side facing you? Could that fit in there? Oh, no shot, no shot.
And also, he's being ran over.
Oh yeah, we're running over our gamer.
So we have a hostage.
What happens when you lose? You get run over. Oh, we didn't show him the front of the trailer. Turn so we can see the front of the trailer.
Now here's where we keep our trophy.
Yeah, there's the trophy.
And I kept wanting to say that we have to light up this place, or else the creepers are going to spawn in.
Can you? I wonder if you could fit. You could fit the extra sword in there, I guess, with that. There's nowhere to put this thing. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, no, yeah.
We can put literally.
I guess you could take off. Oh man, is there a way you can? I guess you could almost throw it flat on the roof, but it's not going to work very well.
We can fit all our spare parts in here.
Oh yeah, there we go. So yeah, this is a wild kit. I don't know why this exists actually, but it's pretty cool. It is the Lego City 60388. What's the name of this kit again? Let me see.
The gamer tournament truck, I think.
Gaming tournament truck. You are correct.
Now you can also store the thing that connects the sign to the roof in here. Close this up. And try to
Can you fit that?
You can connect this to the roof, not very securely, but you can.
Hold on, can you connect it to the glass part? Will it stay?
If gravity will let me.
Is there anywhere you can connect it to? Get out of here! Oh, put the truck back on.
Let's see how this looks.
That looks actually okay. No, that looks fine. That looks like probably what you would do. Wow.
And then you have the kidnapping area.
Yeah, this is where we stuff the bodies. Oh, sweet wampum.
Now look at this. You can split up our minifigure and then just store the body parts back here. You can fit his legs in there.
Nice. Alright guys, so there it is. You guys might have seen the display shop if you checked our community tab, but this has been the Lego City 60388 Gaming Tournament Truck Speed Build. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed this somewhat lengthy video, guys. If you did, please give us the old thumbs up, hit the red subscribe button if you've not done so already. If there's comments and notification available and you would care to use that, please feel free to do that. Of course, as I mentioned, the YouTube community tab, where the eagle-eyed view of property already seen a display shot of this. There's also stuff, other display shots, and of course, there is lots of goodies over there, different channel notifications, fun stuff like that. If you're interested, you can just check it out right here on the YouTubes, our community tab, where there's extra content as well. But that's gonna do it for this time. The Lego City Gaming Tournament Truck Speed Build.
Why am I still trying to fit a body back here?
I couldn't begin to tell you. But we will see you all next time.
Bye-bye, I guess.
Bye-bye, I guess.